Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am journaling in my Inspired Bible, and I am in the book of Isaiah in chapter 45, starting in verse 5, where it says, I am the Lord, there is no other God. I have equipped you for battle, though you don't even know me. So all the world from east to west will know there is no other God. I am the Lord, and there is no other. I create the light and make the darkness. I send good times and bad times. I am the Lord. I, the Lord, am the one who does these things. I just love this passage, and I love the part where it says, I am the Lord, there's no other God. I have equipped you for battle. And as we go into the new year, I know for myself and maybe some of you, you have set a goal to keep yourself prepared for the times where you have to be a light to those in the world that do not know God. And my goal is to read my Bible more so I will be equipped for what will come in my life. So for my journal entry, I wanted to use these pearlescent watercolors. I picked these up at Michael's just because I thought they were so beautiful. I want to try and do just a swiping of different colors of watercolor across the page. And I'd seen this on Pinterest. I will put the link for my inspiration down below. I believe they used just plain watercolors, but I just thought it was so pretty. So I wanted to try that, and I found these and just fell in love with them. So I want to see how they work in my Bible. I want to pull out I am the Lord, and Lord in like large letters. So I found in my stash these stickers that I had. They're vinyl letters. I'm not sure how well these will work. I may pull in a different set of stickers if they don't stick very well or they're just too thick. I don't know. We'll see. So anyways, I have those, and I have the paints. I have a black pen because I want to write. I'll put Lord here with the sticker letters, and then the rest of that verse I will write with my pen. And then I have my date stamp and ink and a cup for water and my paintbrush. So let me get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. so here's my final entry. I really love how this turned out. The colors are super pretty, and I'm not sure, it's kind of hard to see that on camera, I don't know. But I decided to go with just using blues, purples, and greens. As you saw, I tried to add in this, what I thought would be like more of a burgundy color, and to me it ended up just looking more brown. And it may have been just because I had different colors in my brush already, but I tried to get rid of a lot of that and added in more purple. But I think that it has such a sparkly pearlescent effect, it just makes it look really pretty. And as you saw, it doesn't, watercolor doesn't go through the page, so I really like that too. I ended up using some cardstock stickers that I had instead of the vinyl ones because I just thought they would look too thick on there. And after I wrote the verse in here and had a lot of extra space down here, I kind of wish that I had used the sticker letters to spell out equipped, but that's just how I ended up doing it, so that's fine. I went in and added some crosses with my pen just to add a little bit more onto the page, and then I underlined the verse and added a tab up here. And what I do need to do now is put my date, so I'll go ahead and do that now. And let's see here. And then my entry will be complete. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again next Wednesday for another Bible journaling video. And come back tomorrow and Friday for another crafty video. God bless, Happy New Year, and see you next time. Bye!